Good morning,
Good
beta.
morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Should we continue with the chapter? We'll just finish it up today. Okay? So page number, which page number?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vijay.
page number.
4 page number, last para.
Last para. Okay,
Last
now he
para.
just goes there and he just wants to buy 2 tickets to Galesburg, Elonius. Right? Up till here we had done the last para of page number 4. Write down the date. Hurry up. Put the date.
No, ma'am, we do from fifth page. Ma'am, you do the summary of fourth para, last para.
I had explained you.
Yes, ma'am, you can
Okay, the
say
Galesburg,
that.
it had big old frames and huge lawns were there and tremendous trees, they were there, okay? And summer evenings, they were twice as long. People used to sit
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
lawn in the evening and they used to chat in a soft manner. Women used to fan with the palm leaves, okay? Fireflies, they were flying all around. And it was a peaceful world where First World War was 20 years ahead and 40 years ahead was Second World War. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what happens, children? This man Charlie, he goes to the ticket window to buy the ticket, page number 5. The clerk figured the fare. He glanced at my fancy headband, but he figured the fare and I had enough for 2 coach tickets one way. Now he asked for the ticket from the clerk. The clerk, he started calculating the fare. But while calculating, he looked at the fancy headband, head पे जो band बंधा हुआ था ना, that Charlie was having. और वो चार्ली कहता है, I had enough of money to buy 2 tickets one way का, okay? But when I counted out the money and looked up, the clerk was staring at me, okay? When he was told to give so much of money, the amount when he was told of the fare, and when he started counting the money and he looked up, what did he see? The clerk, he was staring at Charlie. He nodded at the bills. He just nodded at at the bills means at the money. और वो कहता है that aren't money, mister, he said, and if you're trying to skin me, you won't get very far. अब वो जब देखता है कि the rupees were there in the Charlie's hand, he just nods his head. He doesn't want to take it, and he says that this is not money, and if you're trying to skin me means cheat me, then you will not reach too far. यानी एक तरह से उसको warn करता है, threaten करता है, rather धमकाता है कि यदि तुम मुझे चीट करने की कोशिश करोगे ज्यादा दूर नहीं पहुंच पाओगे, पुलिस will come and catch you up. इसका मतलब what happened, the currency that Charlie was using and the currency that was used in 1894, it was absolutely different. Okay? Demonetization से पहले वाला amount you are going to use, the money you are going to rupee you are going to use right now, will it be accepted?
No, ma'am.
No, it
No,
won't
ma'am.
be accepted, है ना? तो वो ऐसा ही लगेगा कि कोई आपको नकली नोट दे रहा है, आपको चीट कर रहा है. And if you are trying to skin का meaning लिखना cheat me, you won't get very far. And he glanced at the cash drawer beside him. और फिर उसने जो cash drawer was there, in which all the cash, all the money was kept, the clerk looked at it. Of course, the money was old style bills, half again as big as the money we use nowadays and different. Now he says, Charlie says that even he looked in the drawer where the money was kept, at the drawer where the money was kept, and of course he understood that the money, the notes, they were different. Earlier, they had larger than these ones that Charlie had. Okay, they were quite big. The notes were quite big and different. I turned away and got out fast. So when he saw that the money that Charlie was having and the money that was used in 1894, it was different. So Charlie, he just got out of the ticket window and he just started moving fast. Why? There's nothing nice about jail even in 1894. Why? Because he thought that before this man, he would call police. It's better for him to run away from here, because jails are never nice in any century, in any age, in any era, in any period. Jails are always jails, prisons are always prisons, isn't it? Jail तो कभी की भी हो, चाहे 18th century की हो, चाहे 17th की हो, 19th की हो. Jails कभी अच्छी नहीं होती है ना. So उसको डर लगा and he just tried to rush away from there. He just tried to move fast from there. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And that was that. I left the same way I came. I suppose next day during lunch, I drew $300 out of the bank, nearly all we had, and bought old style currency that really worried my psychiatrist friend. अब क्या हुआ? जिस रास्ते से he came from the same way he went back. Next day, whatever savings he was having in the bank, he took them out and he got them exchanged with the old style currency. You can buy old money at almost any coin dealer, but you have to pay a premium. This we all know कि old money we can buy at any coin dealer. Okay, लेकिन उसका premium देना होता है. My $300 bought less than 200 in old style bills. अब कहता है मेरे $300, you know. Okay, though I had a loss because I had to pay a premium and I got a less amount than I had. Okay, $300 less than $200 I got in return, but I did not care. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894. But he did not care. Why? Because he thought that 1894 was much cheaper than this age and he would carry on, he could carry on his expenses. Okay, having such a small amount then too. But I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at the Grand Central Station, although I have tried often enough. अब क्या हुआ? उसने currency change करा ली and everything, he got the money in return, old style currency, and he started looking for the way from where he entered into the third level. But he did not find the way to the third level. He did not find the corridor that led to the third level. Okay? उसको वो रास्ता वापस नहीं मिला, वो कॉरिडोर वापस नहीं मिला. Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this and didn't want me to look for the third level anymore. Now he says, Charlie says, when I told my wife that I'm not able to find the corridor that leads to third level, she became somewhat worried, okay? And she told me that now you better stop looking for third level. She was very much worried because as he had exchanged all the money in the old style currency, then it would become what very difficult to carry on the life now. So he just tried to stop him and tells there is no need to find out the third level. I went back to my stamps. Now he went back to the stamp collection. Who began this stamp collection, beta?
His grandfather.
His grandfather. Good.
Grandfather.
But now we are both looking every weekend because now we have proved that the third level is still there. लेकिन फिर कहता है I went back to the stamp collection. लेकिन अब कह रहा है कि अब we both are, means me and my wife, we both are looking for the third level. Okay, we both are looking for the way, for the corridor that leads to the third level. क्यों? क्योंकि he says now we have the proof that third level really exists. How did they get the proof? See, my friend Sam Venier, who was Sam Venier, the psychiatrist, okay, disappeared. अब वो disappear हो गया. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected. Okay, कहते किसी को नहीं मालूम वो कहाँ गया, लेकिन मैंने suspect करा है, मुझे शक है. Sam is a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. कहते Sam, you know, he belongs to the city and I used to tell him about Galesburg, and I used to tell him I went to school there and how did the place look and everything I used to tell. Why? Because Charlie, he spent his childhood in Galesburg. वो बताता रहता था कि वो place कैसी है. He always said he liked the sound of the place and that's where he is all right in 1894. Or whenever I used to narrate, okay, him about the Galesburg, you know, where I spent my childhood, उसको ये लगता था that is a very nice place, a very peaceful place, and he always liked it whenever I talked to him about Galesburg. Okay, so now he is gone to Galesburg, but he has reached to the past, means he has reached Galesburg of 1894. अब क्या हुआ? How did this Charlie, you know, how was he sure that he had reached? One night fussing with my stamp collection, I found, Okay, now he says one night when I was looking my stamps, you know, the collection of my stamps, I found, well, do you know what a first day cover is? अब उससे पहले वो बताता है कि पहले मैं आपको बताता हूँ what is a first day cover. I told you children what is a first day cover?
Yes, ma'am.
What is
Ma'am,
it
when the
called?
stamp is issued, ma'am, when the
Yes.
stamp is
Stamp
issued,
collector himself
the
address a
stamp
blank
collectors
letter.
use address
Okay, okay, good. When a
to
new
it
stamp
to
is
collect
issued,
the
stamp collectors they buy and use them in mail envelope to mail envelopes to themselves, है ना, on the very first day of the sale. Otherwise, on the second day, they won't be knowing the exact date and the month and the year, okay? To know the exact date, the day on which it is issued, okay? They just paste it on the self-addressed envelope. They mail it to themselves. It goes into the mail. They do not need to open it. Why? Because they know very well कि nothing is there in the envelope. उन्होंने तो अपने आप को खुद को भेजा है, तो उसमें कुछ नहीं होगा, है ना? बस रिकॉर्ड उनको मिल जाता है क्योंकि the postmark is there on the stamp, which indicates the date on which it is issued. समझ में आया? So that is the first day cover. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So when a new stamp
yes,
is issued, stamp
ma'am.
collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on the very first day of sale, and the postmark, it proves the date. The envelope is called a first day cover. Underline it, okay? Then they are never open, just put a blank paper. They just put a blank paper in the envelope. That night, now why did he open this envelope? Why? Because it was in a different writing. Got it? All the envelopes, they were in the same handwriting of Charlie, okay, or of his grandfather. Now this envelope, it was of different writing. That night, among my oldest first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there, but there it was. कहते मुझे एक envelope मिला जो वहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए because it was of different writing. And it was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather at his home in Galesburg. Okay, now it was addressed to my the address was of Galesburg, and somebody had mailed it to my grandfather. Okay, that is what the address on the envelope said. It had been there since July 18, 1894. Sorry. Now, when this Charlie, you know, he was there on the third level, okay? He was there in Galesburg. How did he come to know that it was June 11, 1894, beta?
Ma'am, he had took the newspaper
Newspaper.
He,
from the news voice. Had
he
see it on the
no,
newspaper
he did not take the
from the
newspaper.
news
Instead, he
voice.
looked at the bundle of newspapers that
You
was
see
kept.
that.
Okay, bundle of newspaper that was kept there. He looked at it, and on that he found that it was June 11, 1894. But here in the letter that was written by Sam, he mentions the date, and now it was July 18. Nearly 1 month and 4 days were over. समझ गए? तो ये था जुलाई 18, 1894. The postmark showed that. और postmark जो था उसी का लगा हुआ था 18 जुलाई का. Yet I didn't remember it at all. The stamp was a 6 cent का था, dull brown color with a picture of President Garfield. Naturally, when the envelope came to Granddad in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there till I took it out and opened it. और जब वो आया था envelope, तो grandfather के नाम से एड्रेस था तो उनके मेल में चला गया. और जब चार्ली ने देखा, है ना, द स्टैम्प कलेक्शन, व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड फसिंग विद द स्टैम्प कलेक्शन, उस समय ही फाउंड दिस एनवलप. देयर वाज अ पेपर इनसाइड एंड द पेपर वाजंट ब्लैंक. उसमें क्या लिखा था? 941 Willard Street, Galesburg, Illinois, July 18, 1894. Now it was addressed to Charlie and it was written by who? Sam, the psychiatrist friend. समझ गए?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 Now he says, I got to wishing that you were right, then I got to believing you were right. Okay. Now he says, I wanted to wish that you were right, and I just wanted to believe that you were right. And Charlie, it's true. And of course, it is true that you are right. Third level really exists. Sam कहता है, I found the third level. I have been here 2 weeks, and right now down the street at the Delhi's is somebody where he is there. Someone is playing a piano and they are all out on the front porch singing, seeing Nelly home. अब वो कहता है, I have reached the third level. I found the third level. And I have been here for 2 weeks से मैं यहीं हूँ. Right now मैं दिल्ली के वहाँ पर हूँ. आसपास ही somebody is playing the piano or everybody is singing the song, seeing Nelly home. उसके बाद वो कहता है, and I'm invited over for lemon day. Okay, lemon day means for the lemon juice. Okay, नींबू पानी के लिए. तो वो कहता है कि I'm invited over for lemonade and come on back Charlie and Louisa, and now he's very much excited to call Louisa and Charlie back to third level. Keep looking till you find the third level. It's worth, believe me. Okay. और उनको Sam कहता है, just keep on looking for the corridor that leads you, for the way that leads you to third level, and it's really worth visiting the place. And the note is signed as Sam. समझ में आ गया? तो Sam कहाँ पहुँच गया था? He had reached on the third level. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
उसको पहले
Yes, ma'am.
विश्वास नहीं हुआ, लेकिन वो कहता है, लेकिन मैंने तुम पर विश्वास करा, इच्छा हुई मेरी, और फाइनली आई फाउंड द थर्ड लेवल. मैं वहां पर पहुंच चुका हूँ. इट्स रियली अ नाइस प्लेस, वर्थ सीइंग प्लेस. At the Sam and Coin store I go to, I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of old style currency. Ab next day, Charlie, he tries to find the fact. He goes to the Stamp and Coin store पे वो जाता है और देखता है कि वास्तव में चार्ली ने अपना अमाउंट एक्सचेंज करवा लिया $800 को ओल्ड स्टाइल करेंसी में टर्न करवा लिया, कन्वर्ट करवा लिया. That ought to set him up in a nice little hay business. Now $800 he had saved. Why? Because he wanted to begin his new business, feed and grain business. Okay. He always said that's what he really wished he could do, and he always wanted to do the business of feed and grain. And he certainly can't go back to his old business now. लेकिन अब वो अपना old business जो है वो नहीं कर सकता जो करना चाहता था. Not in Galesburg, Illinois में तो बिल्कुल नहीं. In 1894 में बिल्कुल नहीं. उसके old business का क्या होगा? Why Sam was my psychiatrist, and why कैसे गया, क्यों गया वो? He was my psychiatrist. वो तो मेरा psychiatrist था जिसने मुझे कहा था that you want to escape from the realities of the world, and he himself has reached the third level. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Monday we are going to do the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you,
you, ma'am.
Have a
ma'am.
great Saturday and Sunday.